Hailey Bieber, Selena Gomez, they were at an award ceremony over the weekend, the Academy Galas, and everyone was looking at Julia Roberts looking great. And then a photographer took a couple of snaps of Hailey and Selena Gomez hugging each other, just acting like proper pals. And if you're looking down, you're going, they're just two girls, they're whatever. Selena Gomez dated Justin Bieber for years. They broke up. Justin started dating Hailey Bieber. And I was like, and her name is Hailey Bieber, so they obviously got married. And there has been constant media, especially in the US, that they hate each other. There was rumours going around that maybe the relationship started before Selena Gomez finished it off.
The timeline was always questionable in terms of when Selena had broken up with Justin at this part, you know, this second time around with the relationship. And then he seemed to marry Hailey so quickly.
And I know there was a lot of difficulty in the relationship. They spoke about it. Justin and Hailey have talked about, you know, first year of marriage was great. Then after that, they were kind of going, is this it? Maybe we got married too soon.
Because they were very young, weren't they? Well, they're still young.
They're still very young. But everyone always, it's kind of like, you know, the Power Rangers back in the day. The Pink Ranger and the White Ranger were always meant to be together. This is what it was kind of like, you know. The fans just couldn't get over the fact that Selena had moved on and that Justin had moved on. And I think the big thing about this is that there was a podcast called Call Me Daddy, I think it was called, or Call Her Daddy.
Call Her Daddy,
And that's when Hailey Bieber started talking about it. And it was the first time she actually addressed it and was like, no, when they broke up, we started dating each other. There was nothing happening. And I think fans then started giving Selena Gomez dog's abuse. She went on TikTok and she was just like, come on, words mean a lot. She gets destroyed. I interviewed her a couple of weeks ago for something. And I remember at the start they were going, do not ask any personal questions. You ask a personal question, the screen gets turned off. And, so you just have to go online and type in Selena Gomez. Even after that photograph today, they're still thinking, oh, it was set up. I guarantee you something's happened. Though Selena's horrible. She's fat. She's this. And you're kind of going, she's a beautiful looking girl. She's stunning. And she's single.
And she's got a documentary coming out soon, doesn't she, as well?
That's going to be brilliant. And I think it's going to, you know, it's going to raise a lot of awareness for mental health. You know, people think, you know, she's a singer, she's an actress.
She's not impenetrable. She's a human as well at the end of the day.
Just normal like the rest of us. That's coming out very soon. That's going to be brilliant.
Yes,
as you were saying with Leah Dawn in the last part, sometimes social media can be a good place, sometimes it can be a very nasty place. Sure. And it has been for Selena.
And let's move on to by the way. Can we just do that photographer? Fair play to him. Jesus, he'll be getting gigs everywhere now, won't he?
What? Cha-ching.
I've got an opening of a pub. Will you come over?
Well, you might be at the next macro meeting when Mary Byrne meets her fella.
Yeah, you never know.